Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Have you ever just wanted to sit back, relax, and waste away the afternoon, especially after a hard day of work? Well, this amazing eye massager from FHVIT is perfect to help you do that. Not only is this eye massager beautiful, it's also compact, soft on my skin, and has several different modes to get exactly the relaxation you're looking for. I love that this is foldable, so it fits very nicely in my bedside drawer. I also love that the band is adjustable and super stretchy so that it'll fit comfortably despite the size that you need it. The inside is made of a super soft material, and with the push of a button, you can choose to have different intensities, levels, vibrations, and even Bluetooth your favorite songs or podcasts. This has been very helpful to me when I have a headache or when my eyes are achy from staring at a computer. It's nice to take a little time for myself sometimes, and this massager can go with me anywhere. I take it to my backyard where I can listen to murder mysteries and judge people with a little something special in my tumbler. We can call it water if you want. And with the easy-to-connect Bluetooth feature, my favorite songs come in nice and clear. So if you're looking to take your relaxation to the next level, then this eye massager from FHVIT is exactly what you need. This would also make a perfect gift. And that's my point of view.